about how to compare things in TypeScript. So first we're going to talk about less than and greater than. This is something that you might have talked about a long time ago in math, and it's something that I honestly get confused about all the time. But the way that I try to remember it is thinking about it not so much as just this weird like angle. I think about it like an alligator mouth, right? So if we have two numbers like 10 and 4, right? So the alligator is always going to want to eat what's biggest, right? So if the alligator mouth is facing the 10, then that's true, that is what's biggest. So that's saying that 10 is greater than 4, which is correct. So that will evaluate to a Boolean expression, which means true. Now, if the alligator mouth is facing the 4, 4 isn't bigger than 10, so that's going to evaluate to false. The only difference between less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to is that basically it just adds in that extra condition saying, hey, if these two things are equal, it's also going to be true. So if we had 4 is greater than or equal to 4, that's going to be true. Whereas if we just had is 4 greater than 4, no, because they're the same thing. So that's going to evaluate to false.
So another thing that you can use in TypeScript to compare two values is the equal to operator, which is basically 3 equal signs in a row. This is different from just the equal sign, which you use to assign values to variables. So don't get those two mixed up. But the equal to operator basically, like what she said, it compares two values to see if they are equal to each other. Let's say I want to compare two strings. Let's say our names, Bea, which is my name in quotes, and Mary, which is her name in quotes. Obviously, you can tell that these two are not equal to each other, so when you say the string Bea, triple the 3 equal signs, Mary, it'll evaluate to false. But if you set my name, Bea, equal to Bea, it's obviously going to be true. Now, a thing to remember is that it's case sensitive, so if you put my name in all caps and compare it to my name in all lowercase, it's going to be false. So just remember that when you try to compare two string values.
In addition to the equal to operator, we also have this cool thing called the not equal to operator, which is an exclamation point and 2 equal signs. So basically, if you evaluate an expression like is Bea equal to Bea, and then you put the not equal to operator in there, that will make it the opposite of what you would think, right? So if it was a regular equal to operator, like is Bea equal to Bea, that would equal true. But then we put that exclamation point in there and it makes it equal false. This can be kind of confusing, so if you need to, you should figure it out without the exclamation point and then just flip it.